everybody, Audrey here. Are you troubled about eating vegetables? Today I am sharing how I stir-fry cabbage. Crunchy cabbage with chewy pork belly is the best combination. I can have many bowls of rice. Let's see how I make it. The cabbage we are using today is Taiwanese cabbage. There are many varieties of cabbage currently available on the market. Taiwanese cabbage is also called flat cabbage, which is crunchy and juicy. The first step is to peel off leaves. You can actually feel how crunchy the leaf is. Take about 350 grams in total. Now what we're gonna do is use our hands to shred them into small pieces. This is actually where the name Hand Shredded comes from. I am leaving out the big stem because it is hard to break and it takes longer time to cook than leaves. Heat a pan with oil and ginger. Here I am using Sichuan peppercorn oil, a natural oil infused with peppercorn. Sichuan peppercorn is a fragrant spice with slightly flowery and a numbing effect on the mouth. It is commonly used in mapo tofu to create the numbing effect. I always love to add some meat to the vegetable. Whenever cook meat and the vegetable together, always cook meat first. Today I am using 150 grams of pork belly. Pork belly has the right proportion of fat. It is essential to get the fat out before adding vegetable. Cooking until it becomes slightly brown and there oil comes out. Vegetable emits a lot of water as they cook. It will make the meat soggy. Cooking the pork belly slightly brown can prevent it getting soggy while they cook with cabbage. Half teaspoon of pink salt right on cabbage and stir fry first. It provides enough time to let the flavor get in. 1 tablespoon of dark vinegar along with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and dark soy sauce. At last, 1 teaspoon of sugar. The vinegar and the sugar creates a sweet-sour flavor to this dish. Plus the numbing effects from peppercorn oil, I bet you will love it. We are almost done here. Stir fry for a little longer to get the flavor evenly distributed. Take out the ginger and add a little chili pepper if you prefer spiciness. This is Audrey. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.